So, hello everyone, myself Gayatri. Today I am going to explain the JavaScript code creates a Telegram bot that allows users to search for recipes using the Spoon API and store users' queries in Google Firestore like Firebase NoSQL data. Here first we require some modules like Firebase admin app and Firebase bot API etc. Firebase admin app is used to initialize Firebases and connect it to Firestores. Next we use Node Telegram bot API, that library to interact with Telegram bot API. Next we use Node fetch, which is used to fetch data from the Spoon API. Next to initialize the Firebase, we use const service account. To load the Firebase service account, we use conditionals like key.json. To initialize the Firebase, we use some conditionals like service account. To setting up API keys, we use Telegram bot token and Spoon API key. These keys allows us to Telegram and Spoon services. Next, creating a Telegram bot token. The bot is initialized and set to polling mode, which continuously listens for new messages. To handle incoming messages, we use bot.onMessage async messages, listens for messages, extract chat ID to send responses and user messages and user input text. Next, to handle greetings, we use if user message is equals to hi or user message is equals to hello. If the user says hi or hello, the bot sends a friendly response. Next, we are using fetching responses from Spoon By using spoonacler.com website, we fetch recipes from there. To construct the Spoon API URL using the user input, fetches data from the API. If the API request fails, it throws an error. Next, handling no results. If the data.results or data.results.length is equals to 0, couldn't find, the recipes are said to be sorry, I couldn't find any recipes for this. If no recipes are found, the bot informs the user. Sending recipes details. By using const recipe title and recipe link, extract the first recipe from the API responses, generates a Spoon recipe link, formats the message using markdown to make the text bold and clickable, sends the recipe to the user. Storing queries in Firestore. To store that, we use await database.collection recipes, saves the queries and recipe details in Firestore, logs the entry in the console. To handle the errors in this code, we use catch error. It catches and logs errors, sends an error messages to the users. Thank you.